Hello, welcome to this episode of CFISD 360, where we share some of the best news and sports stories and show you a 360 view of the district. I'm Alex Wilkinson from BCTV at Cyfair High School. Today we are at the site of the CFISD Exhibit Center, which is being renovated thanks to bond funds. The nearly 9,000 square foot addition will bring the facility's capacity from 600 to close to 1,100 and will include stadium-style seating. This includes renovated restrooms and dressing space. Wow! The CFISD Livestock Selections are over and all CFISD FFA students have their animals and are excited to show in the 2022 Livestock Show.
So excited to be able to do this, the opportunity that the Side Park FFA has given me to be able to raise this beautiful animal that I call Casanova.
Another part of the bond package was the expansion of the West Green Agriculture Barn. It's October, or also known as Bandotber. The CFISD bands are in the midst of marching contest season, and the Cywoods Marching Band is no exception.
Excited for the UIL region marching time. It's kind of the start of the area and hopefully the state contest for the Wildcat Band. And so this is really where we can showcase all of our effort and all of our work that we've been putting in since the summer.
We've been able to spend a lot more time on our fundamentals, been able to have more time with our kids, and have been able to structure a more sophisticated show this year, and it's been a lot of fun.
October 18th through the 22nd is School Bus Safety Week, a time to celebrate the importance of keeping it safe on and around a school bus.
At Cyfair ISD, we transport about 80,000 students every single day, and we travel thousands of miles every single day. So with all the cars around and with the number of students boarding our buses every single day and getting off in the afternoon, it's important for us to make sure that we communicate the importance of being safe around a school bus and looking for all of those children.
Time now to go beyond the score with CFISD Sports.
Thanks, Alex. I'm Jacob Rodriguez from VHS Productions here at the big game between Cypress Park Tigers and Bridgeland Bears. Showcase of two 6A powerhouses. How will it turn out? Check out the highlights next. The district cross-country meet was held October 14th and 15th, which means hundreds of CFISD runners brought out their best on the trail. Bridgeland was one of those teams and was pleased with their effort.
So 2 district titles on the day. We've got to feel pretty good about that. For the road to state, I think, is staying healthy.
That does it for this edition of CFISD 360. Thanks for joining us as we show how CFISD is bringing out the best.